Hi, I'm Tonya Caruso. Welcome to Comcast Local Edition. It's an important mission, empowering people with disabilities. And joining us in our studios this half hour is Everett McElveen. He is the president and CEO of Life'sWork of Western Pennsylvania. Thank you so much for coming in and talking with us today.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
Such a great organization. Let's begin by telling folks a little bit about what you do and what your purpose is.
Well, Life'sWork was founded in 1927 by the United Jewish Women's Federation, and actually at the time we worked with mothers actually that were working in the home, but we brought them out to our facilities and they learned how to be seamstresses. And they actually did gowns for Pittsburgh socialites, and the money that was raised actually went back into the agency to support it. Over time we started working more with individuals from during the Depression era and also veterans, and we're doing the same thing today. We're working with adults and also youth with disabilities. We've expanded into working also with people with other barriers to employment.
So when we talk about disabilities, we're talking about what to what?
We're talking about a hearing impairment to someone that was born with a developmental disability that may be have cerebral palsy. The individual may have a mental health issue. They may be paralyzed. So we also have worked with people with closed head brain injuries in terms of rehabilitating them and getting them back into the workforce.
And so how do you do that, and how does this work?
We really, it's on an individual basis. I think that's the great thing about Life'sWork, is that we are person-focused in terms of our services. We definitely are not a cookie-cutter type of operation. Each individual is different. Our counselors are one-on-one with an individual, try to find out what their strengths are, what they're interested in, and we take them step by step through that process. It might even be initially just an internship. It might be a visit to a work site that gets them started, gets the individual out of the house and builds their confidence until they actually get that job.
And how important, both to the individual and to the community, is this program?
Oh, I think it's incredible. When you talk about the unemployment rate for individuals with disabilities, they often are a forgotten group of individuals. But however, they are the largest sort of minority in the country. There are roughly about 33 million people with disabilities in the United States. Those individuals unemployed, there's only about 30% of that population that actually are employed. So when you talk about that, the impact of getting more individuals working is good for the community. It's good for business. It's good for the economy.
Right, and certainly a wonderful asset to those individuals as well. As we continue to talk, we're putting on the screen website and phone number where folks can go for more information, because you have a big event coming up, and 18 is a key number in this event.
Right, this is our 18th year partnering with the Traco Corporation. They sponsor our golf outing. It's going to be on May 18th. We'll be out at the Pittsburgh Field Club. We're very excited about that, and there's still some openings that we have, so folks can come out, enjoy the day, and really support a good cause.
And so how important, I know you mentioned that the company's been behind you for so long, how important is community support when it comes to this program? Oh,
it's incredible. I mean, the individuals that are getting jobs in the private sector. These are real jobs. So employers opening their doors, talking with our counselors, talking with our placement staff is a very important thing. Pittsburgh is a great community in terms of opening its arms to individuals with disabilities. We've had great success in terms of finding employment for individuals, and employers are open to it. I think in many other places within the country there's a lot of resistance and sometimes fear about hiring an individual with a disability, but Pittsburgh has been great for that, and they've been very, very supportive of Life'sWork.
Any idea how many people come through the doors each year, how many clients you help?
We work with about 2,000 people each year. However, those individuals are based on individual services, and so maybe some organizations may serve 20,000 people a year.
Right.
But for us, it's that individual service. We pride ourselves on being a family. We get to know not only the individual, but their parents. If it's a young person, we get to know the person's spouse, and so we really do get involved. And I think that that's why our name is so fitting in terms of it being our life's work.
Well, that's a fantastic organization. Everett, we thank you so much for coming in and talking with us today. We certainly do appreciate it.
Thank you.
You're welcome, and good luck with the 18th, the golf outing. I'm Tonya Caruso. Thanks for watching Comcast Local Edition. We'll send you back now to HLN.